like you're in a movie.
What do I say? What's up, guys? They watching another video. As you guys can see, we are in a new building, a new warehouse. I'm super freaking excited. I've been literally hiding this from you guys for so long. This has been in the works for a few months now. I've been literally like focusing all on this. This is also why I've been slacking on YouTube, bro. I haven't even been posting that much because we've been just focusing on this. It's been a struggle finding like a new building, a new shop. It's actually super freaking hard to get a shop. And something for automotive too. We actually had a lie to get the shop. Should I mention that?
Oh yeah,
we had a lie, bro. It was a struggle to find a spot. But we got the keys to our new freaking warehouse, our new building. I'm super freaking excited. Everybody wants me to get a new car, get an F80, get this, get that. Trust me, I want to buy a new car. I want to do new stuff, but I've been just waiting on this to happen and for this new business to happen so that I can finally start buying new cars and doing stuff like that. I'm trying to just set my priorities straight. I'm trying to grow up, Jordan, you know?
Yes, sir.
I'm trying to just start a new business, guys, which we are. We're starting a new business. I'll be talking about that right now, but I'm sure a lot of people are confused too because I didn't really talk about it when everything happened. As you guys know, I had a wrap business. When did I have it, bro? Like March? So actually a few months ago. At the beginning of the year, you guys know we started up a wrap shop. I never talked about why or what ever happened. We kind of just like dropped it and I never talked about it, never posted about it, and that was it. I am starting a brand new wrap shop, a brand new business. The last shop was like a huge success, but unfortunately, me and my business partner, we just kept bumping heads. It was never gonna work. We were on completely different mindsets, completely different levels. As you guys know, he was also very, very young. He's very young-minded. So anyways, that shit just didn't happen and everything fell through, but I don't regret it at all. I've learned a lot from there. I learned a lot, I gained a lot, and I think this time around it's gonna be perfect. I built a solid ass team. We got Jordan, we got Tam, which I'll introduce you guys to later. We got Brendan. We even got maybe Hugo moving down here soon. So I'm trying to build like a solid ass team this time. We're gonna freaking kill it this time. I'm so freaking excited. And yeah, we got tons of new things happening. You guys will probably see eventually. I don't wanna spoil all the surprises, but yeah, bottom line, we're starting a new wrap shop. I'm super freaking excited. It's called Distinct Vinyl. I'll throw it up on the screen right here. We just started the Instagram, so if you guys wanna go and follow the Instagram right now, we're gonna be posting hella content on there. And we're gonna freaking try to take over the whole game. I'm so excited. I know we can do it, and I know with your guys' support, we're gonna kill it. But anyways, let's go show you guys a new shop. We'll talk more about it when Tan gets here and my homie Brendan, so we can talk more about like the wrap shop. But a new business, guys. I'm super freaking excited. I'm scared. Bro, it's scary starting a new business, bro. From scratch.
Yep,
it's the second time too, bro. But anyways, like I said, I don't regret the last business. I learned a lot. We just can't make the same mistakes again, bro. Never. Never, bro. A lot bigger than the last shop, actually. We can actually put maybe like 6 cars in here. Maybe even more. I don't know. What do you think, Jordan?
I want to say a good 6 to almost probably 8, pushing it.
Yeah, we probably can put more cars. I don't know how big it looks on camera, but it's pretty big, bro. There's a lot of room. We could put 1, 2, 3,
yeah, that shit looks pretty huge.
6. We're gonna put a car lift in here so we can work on cars. We're gonna be wrapping cars. We're probably gonna be doing tint. We're gonna do detailing. We got a lot of stuff, bro.
Gotta take over the game, baby.
It's awesome, bro. And like I said, we built like a solid team with a bunch of homies, and we're all doing different things. It's all gonna help each other out. It's gonna be freaking awesome, bro. Again, and we're also gonna do a grand opening, obviously. Right now, this is day 1. Like, we just got the keys like 5 minutes ago. So this is day 1. The building needs a lot of work, bro. As you guys see, like all this shit, shit. Pretty much another hole.
Got some holes in the hole.
Damn, that shit hasn't hit that shit hard.
That shit not hollow? That's not.
Bro, this shit kind of hurts. I'm not gonna lie. Do it, Jordan.
Oh yeah, that's pretty.
Bro, someone was really mad or something. This place needs a lot of work, guys. Like all these wires, I want to get rid of them. There's a lot of holes in the walls. We gotta get rid of them. We gotta paint the walls. We gotta do the floors again. I'm gonna do the grand opening when the shop is like done.
Complete.
And it looks badass in here. Everyone could pull up. It'll be sick. This is some weird ass. Okay, this is really weird, guys. None of this is gonna be here. It's gonna look completely different. Is it dark? Probably not. It's like the little waiting room. There's a lot of like office space, which we're gonna. I should just tell them all. We're gonna knock everything down. This says like a bunch of little rooms you can kind of see. If you want Jordan want to show. 1 room, 2 rooms, 3, and then there's like that over there.
Little
so
lobby.
Like a bunch of this random shit, like walls and shit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna knock this down. We're gonna knock this down. Which are already coming down. We're gonna knock all that down, knock all this wall down. This is weird. I don't even know what this place used to be before, but we're gonna knock that wall down. So like literally all these walls, it's like 3 different offices right now. We're gonna change it to one big like lobby, office, waiting room. It's gonna be badass. I have a vision, bro. It's kind of hard to see right now because it's like It needs a lot of construction, a lot of work, but once it's complete, bro, this shit is gonna look crazy. Put a fish tank in here.
That's really hard. Some
Pool table,
but look.
TV, couch, come sit here, chill. Should I just tell him about the glass? I'm just so excited about that, bro. Me and Tan have this vision where we want to put glass right here, guys. We want to knock this whole wall down and make a glass wall. So when you're in there in the lobby, like sitting watching TV, you can watch your car getting wrapped. It's gonna be sick, bro. So anyways, guys, this is why I've been slacking on YouTube. This is why it's been taking so long to buy a new car or new project car. Because I've been really just trying to focus on this and launching a new business and getting a new building. And like I said, just building a cool team. Guys, coming up with the name was so freaking hard for like a new business. It's so hard coming up with the name. It's probably the hardest part. We came up with Distinct Vinyl like one of the nights. We were just thinking about it. Distinct, the definition, bro. Recognizably different in nature from something else of a similar type. So recognizably different than other freaking rap shops. You get it? It's kind of sick, bro. So Distinct Vinyl, that's the new business. I'm super excited. It looks dope. What the fuck is on me, bro?
My boy don't got the dunks on today.
I know. Going out the old school Vans. How do you guys like this, like vlogging like this too? Is it cool?
Different little perspective.
The reason why my camera died, I came out here to film a vlog and the freaking it's dead. That was a fail, bro. Like the most important vlog.
It's better now. GTR looking sexy as hell.
So scary.
God damn.
There's actually a lot of room. Like the GTR is a big ass car. We could buy
Yeah.
like 1, 2. We could put 4 in a row.
That's what I'm
bro.
saying, like 8 cars.
Well, there's actually a lot of room. I thought
Yeah,
it was
fit.
smaller, but.
Yeah, look at it on camera. That shit looks tiny.
Put my Lambo, my Pagani. McLaren gets out the shop, put it right there.
You got a lot of cars, man. I haven't seen any of those.
Go around the shop. Oh! Hi.
Kind of looking cute today, man.
Yeah, you like the
What's up, Brendan?
You made it, bro.
You look, my boy is swagged out.
Look, we got the keys, bro. Finally, dude. Oh, no keys for me.
You gotta get used to it, man. You're with this guy all the time.
When Nick puts me in videos, bro, I'm so like right in front of you. Dude, he clips me at the worst spot, like at the worst.
You could be ugly and that shit still looks good.
This camera looks sick. Like.
No, but when I'm just like, when I'm like doing like a thing and like if it's his like, you know, his story thing or whatever, fuck it.
The hardest I've made ever.
Look at 2 sick ass whips in here.
But like even, who is it? Huh? Who is it? You hear that?
Someone's calling? Boy's dropping the money.
For what? We're making it rain.
Just hit it. Come on, we gotta all hit it.
Bro, I'm gonna feel like I'm gonna fuck my hand.
No, we need 10 to rap.
No, that's hard, bro. I actually kicked that. That shit. I'm gonna.
Leave it all. Damn, it didn't even go through all the way.
Definitely hurt his hand. Like I'm not gonna lie, guys. This hole right here. This dude broke his hand for sure. Look, I punched it just a little bit. I didn't punch it. I went like this.
Yeah, fuck it.
What's that fucking UFC fighter that like smashed his head into it?
Oh, I know what you mean. And he
Oh, Rampage?
ripped it in half, bro.
That fool was pissed.
This is the homie Brendan. This is Brendan's F80. Brendan just opened up his own business collective group. So he's gonna be in here. We're gonna put a lift in here. He like bags cars. What else he do? Maintenance. All kinds of stuff, aftermarket stuff. He literally built this entire car from scratch. He had a sick ass E30 before this. He did the same thing. So there's always gonna be dope ass cars in here that he's working on. And then Tan, of course, he's in there. But Tan's gonna be the main person that's wrapping all the cars. Wrapping my GTR soon. I don't know what color we're doing next, but we're wrapping the GTR next. Maybe my E46 next. We also already wrapped a few cars, guys. We wrapped Sammy's car. If you guys remember Sammy's Aventador, the tan one that you guys see in my vlogs all the time. Tan actually wrapped that tan Aventador. We did the Aventador already. We did a Supra already. We did 4, I think, already. So we've already wrapped a few cars, guys. I've known Tan for like 6 years, bro. Literally when I first got in the car scene. He had an E92, I had an E92. He actually wrapped the homie Amza's car like 3 freaking times. So yeah, I've known him for so long. He's wrapped cars since I've known him for like 6 years, bro. You guys have my word, and like literally, there's no one else I trust wrapping my car than Tan, bro. And we're gonna kill it on that once we change up this wrap. I can't wait. And guys, we're always gonna have sick ass cars at the shop. Like I said, Brendan has a sick ass shop. If you guys go to his Instagram right now, Collective Group, go look at the cars that he works on. Like he's always working on sick ass cars, E30 M3s, E36 M3s. And then obviously his F80 is freaking beautiful. Yeah, this is so nice, bro. It's gonna be dope, dude. I can't wait.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.